I'm going to show you how to day trade on Robinhood. I'll be going over 3 strategies that you can start using today to make you money. Before we begin, slap that like button and think about subscribing to this channel if you want to become a better trader. Okay, so the first strategy is using options, specifically buying out of the money weeklies. This means that when you buy your option contract, the expiration date is on the first week. So you'll notice that for calls, any contract that is below the stock price is more expensive. And if you're buying puts, any contract that's above the strike price is more expensive. Let's say you were feeling bearish about a stock and you wanted to capture some downside. Trading weeklies allows you to benefit from a stock going up or down. If I wanted to make a trade on this stock, I would buy an out of the money put. Weeklies are typically cheaper to buy, specifically out of the money weeklies, because as we know, when a contract is out of the money, the contract has less value. As a result, they're cheaper. You can buy one of these out of the money contracts. The contract will get value and you as a holder will earn money for that value gain. Now, I gotta say, don't get too carried away with this method because at the end of the day, you're playing with weeklies and out of the money contracts. Out of the money contracts decay much quicker than typical contracts. As a result, they lose value faster. So it's very important that you do day trade this with this method. Don't hold on to the contract. If your plan doesn't go as planned and the stock doesn't go down, then quickly exit the position. At the end of the day, you're only using, for example, in this position, I'm only using $17. I'm okay with losing $17, but don't throw your whole life savings away by buying a bunch of these contracts. Okay, now an ideal moment to use this strategy is at breakouts, specifically false breakouts. The stock appears to break out but fails. At that moment, you buy puts. I bought puts at this position and I was able to walk out with a good amount of money. Very careful and mindful of your money when you are making a bet on out of the money weeklies. Okay, so the next strategy involves crypto. The benefits of trading crypto is that you could get in and out of the position and the markets never close. When it comes to trading, there's a lot of rules against how many times you could actually day trade within a day. But with crypto, there are no rules. You can buy and sell as many times as you want. Now, I know this video is strictly in Robinhood. However, I do want to say that there are better platforms to use if you do decide to day trade crypto. In Robinhood, you can only buy crypto. However, in other platforms, you could short it, which allows you to profit when crypto falls. I'll definitely make a video on it, so make sure you subscribe to this channel to stay updated. Now, when it comes to Robinhood, I recommend using TradingView as a charting system and using your technical analysis to trade. If you don't know much about technical analysis, once again, subscribe to this channel. I'm working on the masterclass that I'm gonna put out for free, talking about technical analysis, everything I've learned and things that you just need to learn as a beginner. When it comes to day trading crypto on Robinhood, you have the option to not only trade big cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but you could also trade altcoins, and altcoins are much cheaper than Bitcoin and Ethereum, but you're able to have a higher potential gain trading these small altcoins. Now, moving on to the third strategy. This one is talking about day trading penny stocks. And if you don't know what a penny stock is, a penny stock is basically a stock that is below $5. The benefit of trading penny stock is that you're able to buy more. In return, you can gain more money if you predict the movement of whatever you're trading correctly. Now, again, I recommend trading options, but the benefits of penny stocks versus options is that you can hold on to penny stocks for much longer, whereas option contracts, you really have to be right about the direction of the stock by a certain time. In another video, I'll make sure to talk about the best penny stocks to trade. If you got some type of value off of this video, consider subscribing to this channel. I have much more videos that bring just as much value. If you are a new trader, at the end of the day, that is my audience, young investors. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all have an excellent trading week and you all fulfill every single play like a boss. Thank you so much.